Hey y'all, it's Brooke. Alright, I'm here to show you, I have decorated the inside, and I want to show it to you. In my next video, I'll be doing the tab system that I came up with, and I'll show you how I do that. Alright, I'll show you the inside. I did a little collage here with sewing and paper and some cheesecloth. Another little collage with a rusty paper clip. A little here with a piece of, I guess you call that trim. Put a piece of trim here. And these pockets, I like the way the old-fashioned handwritten recipe cards look. And then I did her with a little piece of trim. That with some staples. And they're all basically collages. And then I added this paper to the top of those. And I think I'm going to come up with to where you write your recipes on. I'm going to put some index cards in there and maybe some pieces of grungy paper, just different stuff. And these are my, I painted these. And then scanned them, and they're on my Etsy store that you can print off. And then here, another little collage. And then I added trim to these drawers. I thought it looked cool. And then this girl, she's got a piece of little trim. And try to keep it simple, because once you fill it up with all the papers, it'll be busy. And I love this cat chef. And there's a little girl making a cake with some trim and sewing. And now some mushrooms and botanicals. And these are Tim Holtz. And then the mushrooms I just found free on those free websites you can use. And then I put washi tape to give those top of the pockets a little more substantiability, if that is a word. And then some little dairy tickets with dairy staples and cheesecloth. Another little collage with a staple. A pig. Sewing. And then rusty paper clips and washi tape, because these are thin. Hopefully they won't rip. They don't feel like they will. And then another little collage with some staples and trim, or a piece of lace. There's another one. The Jello girl and some chickens. And a mushroom with a little piece of trim. And this has got fabric behind it. And then I took the washi tape, because I don't know if you saw the video of me doing the marbling. And then here is another one, a piece of trim. And this one, sewing, cheesecloth, a little ad for vanilla. And the girl with the chickens. And then another one of those orange drink milk things. I don't know what you call those. And then a piece of a recipe. And then here is another one. I just cut out one of those salt shakers out of that scrapbook paper. And then added some sewing. This one's got staples. And this one's got a piece of cheesecloth behind it. Another trim. And then I didn't want to do anything on these, because these speak for themselves. And then I added a mushroom with some trim, and then two little advertisements. And then the last page, I got this girl drinking cocoa, sewing, and a recipe, piece of recipe, and then that collage. And there we go. That's the inside of the book. And then the next video, like I said, will be me doing the tab system. that I've come up with, and I'll show you all about it. Thanks for watching, guys.